Hello, my name is Naina Datta, the group leader of our project team. We are a group of 5 members, including myself. Together, we have collaborated on this project with shared responsibilities and dedication. Let me briefly introduce my team members Nilanjan Maiti, Orpita Shamanto, Shomodev Bera, Shoshi Biswas. Each of us has contributed actively in different areas of the project. Recently, we attended the 3-day workshop on business analytics held from 2nd July to 4th July 2025, organized by EILM Kolkata by prominent professor Dr. Kaushik Dotto at Anderson Professor and Associate Dean at the MoMA College of Business, University of South Florida, USA. His sessions provided valuable insights into the practical applications of analytics, global business trends, and decision making strategies. We have been given a project on the basis of workshop. We choose the Titanic Dataset for this project. The objective of this project was to predict whether a passenger survived the Titanic disaster based on features like age, gender, class, and more. We built the complete project in KNIME, a visual no code data analytics platform, applying both exploratory data analysis and machine learning models. I will walk you through the full process from loading data to building models, extracting insights, and evaluating results. As I said, our goal is to build a predictive model to identify which passengers were more likely to survive the Titanic tragedy. We will be use historical passengers data and apply two machine learning models to compare their performance. At first, we load our Titanic dataset in CSV reader node. Our target variable is survived, which is 1 for survived and 0 for not survived.
My name is Nilanjan Maidi. First, we clean the dataset. I removed columns like name and Kevin, which either had too many missing values or no predictive power. Then, using the missing value node, we make ensure that our data did not carry any missing values. I used histograms and bar charts to explore the data. Most passengers were between 20 to 40 years old. More males than females were on board. Next, I examined numeric correlations. CBSP and PERCH showed some correlation, indicating families traveling together. Age had minimal correlation with other features.
I am Orpita Shamanto. Since the survive column was numeric, I convert it to string to use it in satisfied sampling data, the partitioning step. This ensured that both train and test sets had similar survival distributions. Next, I first applied a random forest and assemble of multiple decision trees. It improves accuracy and generalization by reducing overfitting. And then the second model was a decision tree model. It splits data using interpretable rules. For example, females in first class had a high survival rate.
My name is Somati Bera. So I evaluated both models using accuracy, precision, recall, and ROC. Random forest outperformed the decision tree in all metrics, especially in ROC, meaning it better distinguishes survivors from non-survivors. Random forest future important can be seen in the random forest learner output. Sex females had higher survival rate. P classes, higher classes passenger had better survival changes. Age children had better survival rates. Fare higher fare to higher classes passenger to better survivals. Perch travels with family influenced survival.
Hi, I'm Sriyoshi Vishwas. The business application of the project extend meaningfully into real-world transport and disaster planning. Understanding survival likelihood enables us to design better evacuation plan, ensuring that the resources and logistics can be managed efficiently during emergencies. Additionally, such insights can inform safety priorities, for instance, by highlighting the need to prioritize children and elderly or other vulnerable group during disaster response. In business scenario, the same data pipeline and classification logic used in this project can be reapplied to predict customer churn, detect fraud, or access loan default risk. This flexibility showcases how machine learning can provide practical values across industries. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how data driven methods can be leveraged to make accurate prediction and exact valuable insight from historical data. Using visual tool in KNIME, I was able to clean, analyze, and to clean the data model Titanic dataset efficiently. Between this two module set, random forests perform better, demonstrating higher predictive accuracy. This project highlights how machine learning can uncover hidden pattern in data, provide additional insight that support informations that is important for business decision making.
I would like to give a vote of thanks to Professor Dr. Koshik Dotto sir for such an interactive workshop. We truly appreciate your time, guidance, and valuable knowledge shared with us. And also thanks to my team members for this engaging and collaborative teamwork. Thank you.